Good morning! I feel like I've been saying good afternoon. Actually, no, yesterday I said good morning. Howard Johnson. That was the nicest Howard Johnson I've ever been to, although that's the first Howard Johnson I've ever been to. I'm pretty sure it's all downhill from there. Great stay though. I got to shower and charge my things and upload my videos with no problem of the Wi-Fi kicking me off. I got to catch up with nobody, and it was just lovely. So right now I'm currently hoping I'm on trail. Today's plan is 20 miles. There's a shelter in 20. Unfortunately, I probably have to sleep in that shelter if it's gonna rain. I'm really hoping not, but we'll see. I also have to pee really bad, and I'm like on a bridge in front of someone's house, so anyway, it's gonna be a long day, but it's gonna be a great day, like always. I mean, come on, I'm on the AT, so let me shut up, find a place to pee, and let's get to it. Most importantly, it's gonna be a beautiful day. I am officially in Vermont, and I'll be in here for the next 150 odd miles. My last state. I have now walked through 13 states on the Appalachian Trail. Some of them 2 or 3 times. Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York. I'm looking at you guys. But yeah, my last state. I'm excited. Man, feels good. It's bittersweet. It's coming to an end. It sucks that Onesie isn't with me. It's a little different of a celebration, but just so you know, babe, whenever you're ready to come out, whatever year it is, I will do this section with you again and again and again. I do not mind. I'll do this whole trail again if I could. So still got a long day ahead of me. Probably like 17 miles left, so I gotta get moving. But I look forward to seeing what Vermont has to offer. And technically I'm hiking 2 trails now, because the long trail coincides with the Appalachian Trail for the first 100 miles. piece of trash. This shelter sucks. I'm definitely pushing to the next one. It's like 5 miles to the next one. But I need to eat some lunch. Man, see this? Vermont, man. It's known for its mud. And I got plenty of it on me. Whew. Yeah. You know how much I love mud. But this is a lot of mud. Like, there's been certain areas that I step in the mud and it goes all the way to my ankle. And there's no way around it. Like, they have rocks to step on, but the rocks are submerged too, and they're very slippery, and like, so I'm literally jumping in mud puddles, and I feel like a kid again. It's really nice. So, yeah, it's time to eat some lunch, because I've already gone 14 miles and haven't eaten lunch. So, I shouldn't do that again. That descent was retarded. I feel like I'm back in New Hampshire, and I'm not. I'm in Vermont. So I guess Vermont is the practice round before the 2 hardest states. Oh man, it's a beautiful stream. I'm pretty sure IBTAC camped here in 2018, but my tent sucks and I can't camp here. So I just came down a really steep mountain and now I have to go back up a really steep mountain. I can't believe it looks like that on the camera. I promise, it's really steep. Here we go, 1.6 miles, and then I'm done.